Just continuing in and around West Indies cricket, a word on the under-19s currently playing in the World Cup in South Africa. They look like a good bunch, a couple of decent-looking fast bowlers, some quality and some depth in the batting. But again though, with this young team, as it is with every West Indian white ball team at every level, male and female, the batters have an endemic temperament problem. These youngsters, including Jamaica's Jordan Johnson, even in some of the games that they've managed to win, they make it harder by batting in a rush, like they have a bus or a plane to catch. Like they have no intention of batting 50 overs. They're playing ODI cricket like it's T20 cricket. And we just say, going forward in this World Cup, the games are going to get harder. And they do have the innate quality to go all the way. The bowlers are good enough. The fielding is good enough. But they will have to exhibit a little bit more patience in the batting department. Remember, gentlemen, this is 50 overs cricket, not 20 overs. It's 50 overs cricket, not 20 or 10 or 5 overs cricket. It is 50 overs cricket. 50. Okay.